are you keeping your donuts up for? Macy? And Jaders? Yep. Let's go exploring. Awesome.
Let's go play with Daddy.
Awesome. Are you keeping your donuts up high too?
Mommy hold this. Mommy hold this.
Okay. You want another bite?
I need another boot.
Are you wearing your boots?
Two boots. Only just one boot.
Did you get a crumb?
One boot.
Macy, nope.
I only have one boot.
Let's see. Where's your other boot?
I know.
You know?
Thank you. Thank you. I know.
Oh, good job, Claire.
Thank you, Claire. I stop right there.
Jaders. Jaders. That was very good that you showed Max where it was.
I packed it.
Did you park it right there by your bike? Want me to hold something?
Okay.
That one? That one? Okay. I got it.
Mommy.
Should we wipe your hands? Oh, not done.
I need.